All right. Bring it up.
Move that. Because he's going to be flopping.
Here, pick him up, put him on the... Oh, Lord.
Oh my God, it's huge. What the crap?
The crap! Get out of my net!
We got deer behind us, and we got sturgeon in the front. Oh, he's burping. I've never seen one in person.
You haven't?
No, I never caught one.
Should we weigh it? How?
It's so cool.
What about measuring?
It's big and it's a decent size one. That bone up there. Lord have mercy, he's gnarling up. It's fierce. God, that's sharp.
You want a picture with him?
Sure. Not a catch.
Oh.
It's going to stink.
Burping.
Oh.
My kids will like that.
What is?
Got a photo?
I'm trying to get him all in.
Any day now, whenever you're ready.
Okay. I got him. That is so gross.
That's so cool. All right.
I wish we could measure him.